In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a graph in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this from a blank starting point all the way to having a chart on a dashboard, so you can quickly visualize your data and share it with your team. First, open Smartsheet and look over to the left-hand side of the screen. There you'll see the main navigation. Click on the Create button on the left. This is where you start anything new in Smartsheet, including sheets, reports, and in our case, dashboards where your graph will live. Once the Create menu opens, you'll be prompted to choose where to save this new item. Click on Select a Location. This step is important for keeping your work organized. You can store dashboards in a workspace or a specific folder, depending on how your team structures projects. Take a second to choose the right workspace or folder, especially if you're collaborating with others. After you've picked the location, choose Dashboard as the item type. A dashboard is essentially a canvas where you can place different widgets like charts, metrics, and text. Clicking on Dashboard will create a new blank dashboard for you. When the new dashboard opens, you'll typically see a welcome or introductory screen. Click on Get Started to begin adding content. This tells Smartsheet you're ready to add widgets and start building out the visual layout. Next, we want to add the actual graph. To do that, look for the option to add a new widget, then click on Chart New. This opens the chart widget configuration, which is where you'll connect your graph to data stored in your sheets or reports. A chart is only as good as the data behind it, so your next step is to connect that data source. Click on Add Data. This will bring up a window where you can browse through your existing sheets or reports. Now, select the sheet or report that contains the information you want to visualize. Once you've chosen the right source, you'll see options to select specific columns or ranges. Carefully select the fields that make sense for your chart. For example, a date column and a value column. When you're happy with your selections, click on OK to confirm the data source. You may see another confirmation or settings window. Again, click on OK to apply those settings and finalize the chart. At this point, your graph will appear on the